I am magnificent. I am magnificent. You are magnificent. Let us use our I am and keep adding I am all day to keep empowering us and motivate us as we go about our day. Let us build a strong I am community within us. In today's look, I am going to take this eye look and see what I can create. Follow along. I have no clue what it's going to look like, but it's going to be a 2-color eyeshadow. This one and something added. Let's get creative. Fluffy brush. Still working with this palette. I'm going to go this half of my eyes and leave this here so you can see. Okay, I'm going into, it looks like a purple. Okay, let's go into the green. I'm going into the green. It's a matte, and I'm going to start here. There's a lot of noise outside. I'm using this green on the outer corner for a reason, and I will show you why in the end. There is a reason why I pick this green. I was gonna go with a purple from the palette. I was going to go with this color, but I chose this dark green here, and you will see why soon. Now I'm just blending the two together. So now I'm just taking my finger and going this way so I can change the line so it's not so harsh. I am magnificent. You are magnificent. The two-color eyeshadow look, I pick green and I change the lips and I make the cheeks a little bit more bold because I pick this ornament. I pick this ornament and I saw it and I loved it. I don't have a tree. Maybe I'll get one, I don't know. But this little ornament is gorgeous. I wanted to do something to represent it. So the green in the outer corner of my eyes is for this little ornament. Isn't she gorgeous? She is magnificent. Ballerina. Never give up on your dreams. Whatever you want to accomplish in life, do it in small increments and you will get there. This little ornament I love. We have the same color hair, same color skin tone. I just wanted to do it a little justice. So this is my little ornament. Green in the outer corner. I know it looks black, but it's green. Is for her. My little ornament. I just love this little ornament. I just had to put her in a video. I had to put her in a video. I had to put her in a video. She reminds me of a little doll my brother bought me many years ago. It was not the same skin color, but the style of it. When I saw it, that's what I thought of. I was like, I gotta have this. I don't have a tree, but I will hang it somewhere. Always remember self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Never, ever give up on you yourself. When the whole world is against you, you should not be against yourself. Keep rising. If there is anything going on in your life right now that feels too stressful, seek help. Find help. Talk to someone. Talk to everybody. If that's what's going to help you, do that. But don't give up on yourself. Never ever give up on yourself. I just love this. I just love this. I love this. This is so cute. I love it. See, the simplest things in life brings us joy. I want you to remember that. Not only during the holiday season, but throughout the year. Find that one thing that gives you joy. Because I don't want you to give up on yourself, ever. I am simply makeup, I'm saying. Be well. You are magnificent. I am magnificent. Or I am. I am. Add more to it. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. I love this little thing. Yeah. Let's take a look. I'll bring her closer so you can see. She is the cutest little thing. Isn't she?